know if I'm saying that correctly. Resourceful, whatever. Yeah, I'm giving up. Hi guys, it's Peitee. Today I'm using a purple mascara to create this look. I hope you will enjoy. I'm gonna start by using a pore filling primer and just using that where the pores are on my face, so in the T-zone mainly. Next I'm going to mix some strobing cream with foundation. So I just put it on a palette and I'm just going to mix it together. And I'm applying it with a sponge to my face. So the strobing cream ensures that the foundation stays nice and glowy. And now I'm going to take a concealer and I'm going to add it to places where I need a little bit more coverage. And this might never disappear, this thing. Sometimes you just have to give up. Those are very inspirational words. Next I'm gonna conceal under my eyes. I'm just going to use a tiny bit and just pat it with my finger. I already feel like washing brushes, so I'm trying not to use too many. It's perfectly good reason. Some of the best makeup artists use solely fingers for whatever they can on the face. And nobody calls them lazy, so please don't call me lazy. I can call myself lazy, because I am. Well, I don't think anything can cover the kind of dark circles I have today, but I just have to deal with that. I'm going to powder with BenNye's powder. I'm gonna powder everything because I did a lot of concealing. Okay, so I just added a thin layer of powder everywhere and a setting spray. So I'm hoping that this makeup will stay on. I'm actually gonna do something you're not supposed to, but do as I say, not as I do. So I'm just going to use that strobing cream from earlier on the high point of my cheek. And yes, I'm using it over powder, but I think it works just fine. But if you're worried, you may want to use it before you powder. But I forgot. You're technically not supposed to add creams on top of powders. But if you forget that you wanted to use something cream and you already powdered, you can take a gamble. I'm also gonna take a gamble on the blush because it's a cream blush, and again I forgot that I wanted to use it before I powdered. So I can either switch to a different blush or I can just stick with my original plan and just add a rosiness to the cheeks. Because I don't want a lot of blush anyways, I just want it to look nice and fresh. So I'm gonna use eyeshadow primer as well for the eyes. Not too much. And don't use your blush finger because it will be pink. So I hear colored mascaras are all the craze now. So I bought a box from Amazon. It has a lot of different shapes. No, shades. I tried them already. It has a black one, but I don't really care for it. But then it's got all these shades. Not shapes, shades. I will leave a link down below for the mascaras and the Amazon page that I bought them from. So I'm going to use Naked 2 palette for this, and I'm going to use this one. And I just took it in the brush. I'm going to cover the entire eyelid with this color. This is a very strange color and I never really knew what kind of look I could do with this, but I think it will go nice with that mascara. I'm trying to achieve more of a wearable look. I mean, as wearable as blue eyelashes can be. Okay, and if you can blend this line at the same time with the same brush, that would be ideal, because then you don't have to wash another brush, just this one. And just make sure you have it high enough for all the hooded eye girls, so you can see the eyeshadow once you open your eyes. And good trick if you need to blend out this line but you don't want to use another brush like me, you can just take the same brush, and if it's a flat brush or even a fluffy brush, you just use it this way and just blend the top, because the color is on that side, so you're using that side to blend here. You're using this one to pack and this one to blend. Lazy people hacks. Lazy or resourceful. Okay, I don't want to put anything on the bottom lash line, but I do want to put some smokiness from the roots of the lashes. So I'm gonna use this one, this purple one. I gotta use a different brush because I need a very small one for this. And just going to add it close to the lash line. So you can barely see it, but look how much depth it adds to the look. It's incredible, just a tiny bit darker, and it's practically invisible to distinguish it as a separate color, but it does make so much difference. I'm gonna use some Brow Architect brow powder. So the brow is very soft, so it doesn't bring more attention to this place I couldn't conceal. Alright, so I'm going to use some lashes, and normally I recommend to put through some mascara just so these sit better and so they blend in better with your natural lashes. But since I'm planning to use blue, I kind of want to put these first and then try to paint them with the blue mascara also. I could just use the mascara on my natural lashes, but my top natural lashes are literally the same length as my lower ones, so it kind of looks weird if I'm trying to accentuate it. And if you would like to know how to apply false lashes, I do have a very in-depth video on that, and I will link it for you in the eye. Okay, so I'm gonna have to wait a bit before I start to paint them on with the blue because I don't want them to fall off. I just stuck them on. Is that poetry? Must have been because I'm a poet. Okay, I'm gonna do lips in between. So I'm going to use a lip liner just to line a bit. I'm using this. This is kind of a gloss. It has a very weird texture. And I'm going to add some bronzer. Okay, so just bronze up this whole area. Okay, let's add some pizzazz. So this is the color of this mascara in the tube, and I'm going to add it to the bottom first. So if you're a normal human being and you don't want all your lashes purple, then I think this works well. If you just want to add a little bit of colored mascara to your life, add it on your bottom lashes and just be done with it. Have fun, go out, go to the shop, buy something. But if you're adventurous or you're making a video on the internet, then paint your whole lashes blue or purple. This is purple, not colorblind. I'm a makeup artist. I know colors. This is purple. So to paint all the lashes, I'm first going to go behind the false lashes and paint down and then go up. And I'm not going to the roots of the lashes because I don't think it will look good if we paint the roots of the lashes blue. I think if there's some darkness there from the black lashes, it's better because it will give you some dimension, some, you know, some depth into the look. You might want to get one of those combs and just for separating. Okay, so that's purple. Honestly, I would wear this as an everyday look. Okay, so that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was definitely something. Click the notification bell and subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials. Till next time. It is purple. This is the blue one. This is the purple one. There's a difference. Can you see it?